What's going on? This is Jessie Lee. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a massive drugstore haul. I picked up a bunch of stuff. I haven't tried any of it yet, except for what's on my lips today, and I will tell you guys about that. My hair is doing what it wants today. Please ignore it. I'm going to swatch a couple things for you, show you all the cool shit I got from the drugstore. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First thing I picked up today was the L'Oreal Blend Artist Sponge. I've been hearing really good things about this sponge. I'm a little late on it, but I decided to pick it up today. So I got this. It's kind of like weird shapes with the points and then the round bottom. Why don't we just open it up? So this is what it looks like. I've never used a sponge this shape, so it's going to be pretty interesting, but I like the idea of holding it here and having a little bit of grip to beat that face with, so I'm pretty excited to use this. Plus, I love the color. I'm a fiend for pink anything, so yeah. Next, I want to talk to you about the lipstick I'm wearing today. So this is the L'Oreal Color Riche in the color Shining Peach. As you can see, it has a very high shine, and I really like it. I love the actual applicator for it. It's got this like angled look to it. This is a beautiful color of pink. I absolutely love it. It's definitely not matte, so if you don't like shiny, this would not be a good line of lipstick for you, but it's awesome to throw in your purse and just take it and go. I love the way it looks. Like, I mostly love the color. I wish this was in a matte as well, but I can live. I really like it. That's the only one I picked up and the only one I've tried, but so far I love it. So another thing I picked up today were the new Almay quads. So I picked up 3 of them. Okay, so these were an absolute mission to open. I'm warning you right now. The first one is The World Is My Oyster. It's kind of like this grayish color. It comes with a matte, 2 metallics, and a shimmer. It's called Unicorn. It's like a stark white. There is a matte, a satin, and then like somewhat shimmery. There's like a glitter shimmer and then a metallic. I'm gonna do like a first impressions video with a lot of this stuff, by the way, so stay tuned for that. And this is like more of a true nudie beige. It's hard to see on camera, but they're all very neutral. I didn't want to go for the color ones. I was thinking more of like an everyday. You know what? Let's swatch. Okay, so that's not nearly as pigmented as I was hoping for it to be. It's very powdery. Let's try the matte one. I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to try these with a brush just to get the full effect. Another product I picked up recently was the Milani Plum Basics palette. I love these shadows. They are absolutely beautiful. If you've never tried them, you have got to try them. They are just stunning. They come with an actual half decent brush. So there's like a packer brush and then a blending brush. Really awesome that it comes with that. This is one I've had my eye on for quite some time. This is the Plum Basics. Just look at how beautiful. I'm so excited to try this. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do probably a look with this one on camera for you guys as well. And what I love about the Milani palette is that it comes with everything you need. So it comes with a basic all over lid shade, a couple transition shades. So there's like this one here, which is a full matte, and this darker one here, 2 shimmers, and then your lid color. And it just has everything you need. The packaging is sleek and beautiful. Why don't we just do a quick swatch? Because I've been dying. Yeah, like the pigmentation of these. Oh, that is so beautiful. Yes. And then there's this one here, which is kind of like a pinky. Just unbelievable, the quality. Ooh, this one's a duochrome. It's got glitter in it too, which is super cool. So it's got like a gold and then pink shift to it. I'm so pumped. Oh my gosh. I have a feeling this is going to be my absolute favorite palette ever. I have no idea why I'm getting so excited over this, but I just love when you can find something that's super affordable and good quality. Like Milani, I love you, Milani. Thank you for everything that you do. They just came out with 2 new palettes that I really want to get my hands on. So yeah, I will let you guys know if I do get those palettes. And while we're on the topic of Milani, I also picked up 2 more of their Amore matte lip creams. I got the color Devotion and Pretty. So this is Pretty, this is Devotion. I love these. I think they're absolutely fabulous. The reason why I love them is because the shade range is to die for. They just really hit the nail on the head with the colors that they have in this collection. I picked up another palette from the drugstore. This is the Maybelline The Burgundy Bar. So I don't know if you guys saw my last video about the Maybelline palettes, but I tried one of them, the 24 karat one, and I was literally blown away. It was horrible. The colors, there was no pigment, and I was kind of like, oh my god, they're giving it another shot. Okay, let's see what happens, because they're not known for their shadows, that's for sure. This is a full shimmer except for 2 mattes at the end, so I'm very pleased to see that there's 2 mattes here. The rest of it kind of like metallic shimmery, so I will be doing a first impression with that as well. I got the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glow Amour in the color Daybreak. So this is the more like nudie pink color for fairer skin. I am gonna swatch it for you. Oh wow, that's very pretty. It's got a very soft feel to it, and it almost like it's like borderline like oil, a dry oil, if that makes sense. It's got like a peach shift. It's very, very pretty. I'm very excited. And then last but not least, I picked up this super random, I've never heard of this brand before, but one of the drugstores that I visit locally carries this brand called Prestige. It's kind of brow kit. I loved the colors that it came with, so I was very intrigued by this. So they're both powders, one's lighter than the other, and then it comes with, it's super cute actually, a little mirror, a little pair of tweezers, and an eyebrow brush. Obviously I would never use this. This thing is actually, it feels almost like dollar store, like a paintbrush from the dollar store. It wasn't very expensive. And then it also comes with brow stencils. So that's pretty cool. I think I paid like $4 for the set. It was on sale, but I thought that was a pretty cool deal, so I grabbed it. And it all fits inside the little container, which I think is really great. It's great for travel. I hope it works, because that would be great if I could just throw this in my bag and go. Alright guys, that was it for today's video. Short and sweet. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, and you can hit the notification bell on your way out as well. That way you don't miss a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for coming, and I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.